later stages of getting the dash together and in the car. We painted these parts here for the heater controls. We need to get the letters painted white. So I've been doing for a while here. Well, we got the Jeep board in, emergency brake assemblies in, wired up with the fuse block in there. And I'm trying to run these wires where they belong and get the dash in and be looking good. Well, here we go on the dash, reinstalling everything, getting it put together. Everything's laid out. Getting ready to put it all back in. Okay, we got the dashboard up in place, so the bolts and brackets in that hold it in, the lower part of the dash anyhow. Oh, we can get together before putting the dash in, so now we'll start working on everything else in the dash. Well, shaky old me again. Well, we're getting somewhere on the dash. The wiper switch in and operational as far as I can test it without the engine running. Got some more wiring done, routed up yesterday. Parts for the upper dash are all strapped up on the cowl. I got one gauge in. Still got more wires that come out through that little bitty hole where that big harness is running out of, and that's going to be a trick, but we'll see what we can do. And that's furthest harness, the main harness comes back under the dash, is over to the glove box light. You can see there's not a whole heck of a lot hanging out underneath the dash. A couple harnesses got to be connected to the fuse box, and I got some things hanging there for the steering column. I'll keep you informed as I go. Hello. Mark's got the tail lights pretty well underway there. There you go. That's a better shot.
Oh, she's looking nice. Well, I had to pick up the camera. I keep forgetting to pick up the video camera. Strikers are in, doors went on. Just wanted to go over a couple things with you. Trim's going on. I've been redoing the clips and the channels and different things into the windows, getting them ready. And Bob's up here getting all the engine ready to get back in place. That's where we are. Odds and ends here and there, and all kinds of little things been going on, and a whole bunch of things going on with the dash. All the little pieces going into the dash, little trim pieces and different things. So it's really coming together pretty good. Well, I don't even really know if you can see, but Bob's been working on the tack strips on the inside. There's a row of it. You might be able to see. I mean, I can zoom in some. Here's where he removed the strips down here on the bottom. And putting in the new strips down through there and up through there on the sides, up the top. You got tack strips all over it. So we'll be going down all these sides. But anyway, I keep forgetting to pick up the camera all the time. A few things, the vent on, different rubbers on, back rubber on, different clips, different things been done inside the trunk and the back, and been working on different things inside the engine compartment and in the front. Just trying to get some things assembled, but we've been busy and I just keep forgetting to pick up the camera all the time. Give you a quick rundown of some of the things going on. Alright, like in here, we got all the bumpers and the assembly for them, and what we're doing here is we're getting ready to spray these all in a, really what this is going to be is the Raptor bedliner spray. It'll go down through the inside. It's a urethane backing and epoxy that'll seal all this up. 90% of these, if you don't do the insides and everything's all done, car's all done, it looks really nice, and you drive it a year or two, and then all the insides of the bumpers turn to rust. So if you get your bumpers all redone, you need to paint them, stone guard them, whatever you like to do, but don't just leave them coming back from the chrome company. Tape them up, seal them up, sand them down, clean them, put them in some epoxy, and spray them down. Otherwise, they're going to rust. This is all sprayed with a UFO Raptor liner. It's a nice material, it's strong, everything gets coated, and when we apply this, it'll guarantee the bumper just won't rust. You'll have a car all done, and then the bumper will rust from the inside after you get them redone. And that's a dirt shield in the back for a gas tank, and that's the other dust cover in the front to cover the speedo cable. But they turned out real nice. Alright, I gotta run out here and go get some sheet metal.
Well, we got some ashtrays now and a cigar ladder. little nitpicking stuff been doing all day. There's quite a bit of metal in the front end part back together. It's all pretty much wired up. A couple more things. We got the wires all going on both sides. Generator's wired. We got fuel. We got carburation. We got primary ignition. We got relays. Probably not as many as a newer car, but enough to make it look busy. Professional got the hood spring on today. Just after I thought there was nothing else I could cram in this corner, I'd find these hood springs. And there you have it.